Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's story time with Mrs. Sally. This week we'll be reading Mickey and Friends, Mickey's Hiccups by Walt Disney. Mickey has tried everything, but he just can't get rid of his hiccups. I'll never stop hiccuping, he sighs, and hiccups. He tries one last trick, standing upside down. Minnie knows how to cure the hiccups. Take a sip of water, she tells Mickey, then count to 4 and take another sip. Thanks, Minnie, says Mickey as the doorbell rings. Oh, hey, Daisy. Hiccups? Daisy asks. I know just the cure. You need to spin. I'm getting dizzy, says Mickey. Me too, giggles Daisy. Let's see if Donald knows a cure. Donald takes hiccups very seriously. He has a special bag just for this type of emergency. Carefully, Donald balances 3 blocks on his bill and puts 2 hoops on his arms. Now, Mickey, Donald instructs. Listen carefully. But Mickey can't stop laughing. What's so funny? Asks Donald. This is serious. You're funny, Donald, says Mickey between giggles. Say, I didn't hiccup. I guess laughter is the best medicine for hiccups. The end. I hope you've all enjoyed this week's story time and hope to see you all next week. Goodbye.